Hello and welcome everyone to this video. Today we're talking about comparison between Tinytask and AutoHotkey. So friends, Tinytask, it is simple and fast and free automation for everyone. This is for minimalist PC automation, and you can use to record and repeat actions with only 36 kilobytes. You have the version of 1.77 free version. You can use this version for free. You can guys also you can open and you can restart recording and you start editing. This is open source. You can custom toolbar capability, and you can optimization complete all the AX features. This you can add custom playback speed, created new automated step download. You can create any task. For AutoHotkey guys, it's powerful and easy to learn. You can automate automation for scripting languages, and this guys, it's free and open source language for Windows that allow users to easily create a small and complex script. This is all the features guys. You can host and the clipboard example. You have simple array objects. You have a lot of things guys. You can coding everything on this based software. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content.